What's up YouTube? So today I went to my local Best Buy and I went to pick up this movie. It came out today, so I'm gonna show you right now. I paid $20 or something for tax, so hopefully check it out. So there's a movie I brought. Claude and Damme, Kill Them All, but you don't know who to trust. So yeah, so I brought it today. It came out on June the 6th, 2007, on the Tuesday. So yeah, so that's the front, the side, and the back. So it's a couple of screenshots. There you go. This is a silk cover, so same thing as the Blu-ray cover. I'm gonna show you again. Nothing different. It's still the same. What I'm gonna do is cut the seal off and show you what's inside. So I got my kitchen knife. Don't have my box cutter today. Alright guys, so we're gonna open it for the first time. Alright, you can see we only got the disc only, Kill Them All. Bandana right there, front disc, nothing else. So yeah, so that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoy this. And I'll see you in my next unboxing. So, peace.